When choosing an ultra-thin power supply, how do you find the right one for you? Today, we'll focus on the size and weight, safety and stability, as well as charging speed and efficiency of the ultra-thin power supply 60W, 100W, 200W, and 400W to help you make an informed choice. First, let's take a look at the size and weight of these four power supplies. Generally speaking, the ultra-thin power supply 60W size is 148 by 50 by 22 millimeters, weighs 0.19 kilograms, 80 PCS/box. Ultra-thin power supply 100W size is 165 by 50 by 22 millimeters, weighs 0.21 kilograms, 80 PCS/box. Ultra-thin power supply 200W size is 200 by 60 by 30 millimeters, weighs 0.43 kilograms, 40 PCS/box. Ultra-thin power supply 400W power supply size is 220 by 60 by 30 millimeters, weight 0.5 kilograms, 40 PCS/CTN. Next, let's talk about safety and stability. All these ultra-thin power supplies have undergone rigorous safety tests and are all in line with international safety standards. They are equipped with multiple safety features such as overload protection, short-circuit protection, and overheating protection to ensure safety during use. Stability is also a key factor when making a purchase. Ultra-thin power supply 200W and 400W offer higher power outputs for devices that need to work under high loads for long periods of time, ensuring that the device is not affected by current fluctuations during use. These ultra-thin power supplies excel when it comes to charging speed and efficiency. They utilize highly efficient switching power technology that enables fast charging and reduces energy loss. To choose the right ultra-thin power supply, remember these three things: size and weight determine portability, security and stability ensure your device is well protected, and charging speed and efficiency enhance the experience. Finally, these ultra-thin power supplies are widely used in a number of applications, including billboards, indoor lighting, commercial lighting, landscape lighting, educational lighting, intelligent lighting systems, etc. Whether in commercial environments or industrial locations, the ultra-thin power supply provide reliable power support to meet the needs of different devices. Thank you for watching. We hope today's guide helps you find the right ultra-thin power supply. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for more information. See you next time.